Hey everybody, it's me, Russ. I got my uniform. I guess I'm a keeper. Today I'm talking about plug wires and spark plugs on a Ford Explorer. And it's not that difficult, all right? So you have to pull the alternator. So the best DIY dude who did this job, and here's why. Here's what he did. And now stay tuned in this video because a couple of things. I'm going to show you how to save even more time, save a good chunk of time. This is great, what this guy did.
I've changed the alternator on this vehicle before. It's not hard to do, but it just adds to this task.
As a Ford tech who's got access to information on how to do this job, this guy did the best job. So I would encourage you to watch his video to learn this instead of, there's a lot of videos on this and some of them aren't so good, all right? Now, you don't have to pull the alternator all the way out, but there's 3 bolts on the top. You need to take those out. You need to get yourself a little serpentine belt tool in order to loosen that up, all right? And it's easy. It takes maybe an extra 5 minutes to do this. Don't get too frustrated. If you're watching this because you've tried this and you're like, oh my God, what do I do? The plug wires go in behind the alternator. 3 bolts, man, 3 bolts. What you could do is get a clip, like a chip clip or little clip or even a rubber band. Once you pull, you take your tool, 3/8, right? You put the 3/8 little square thing into the tensioner pulley and you pull it back. You undo that top belt. And then instead of, having to re-put everything else on below it, just clip it or take a rubber band and hold the belt together tightly so you don't lose your place as far as the rest of the main and, your air conditioner and all that stuff. It's not that difficult. You can do this. It's only an extra 5-10 minutes on the job, if that. If you have power tools, you can just zip out those 3 bolts, undo the belt. It's right, everything's right on top, all right? So undo that alternator and change the plug wires. It's not that hard. Now the firing order on this job is easy too. So on that side where the alternator is, it's 1, 2, 3. If it's a 6-cylinder, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's a V8, easy peasy. That's the firing order. Now, depending on the year, you may want to Google that. It'll show the firing order of your vehicle. But yeah, most of the ones I've done, I've done a couple now, and it's been 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy.
This angle, pop that off. I got that popped off now. And then this plastic thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all these wires together as a group. And then, hey, look at that. The whole silly thing slides out. Just like so.
That's the firing order on the passenger side. That's right, pro tips on changing the spark plugs in your Ford Explorer. Nowadays, coil packs are all the rage. Spark plug wires they're faulty, they go bad after a while. Coil packs plugged right into the spark plug. That's how manufacturers are doing it, which is great because I think that's a better technology. Anyway, hit the subscribe button if you're new. There's fun stuff going on here. I'm more than just a Ford tech, all right? Later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around.